Let's go in real life, guys. Welcome to another episode of Good Morning Crypto. Only here on Ivan Tech. We are, of course, broadcasting live straight out of Stockholm, Sweden, and we do this show each and every day at 8 a.m. Central European time, but on weekends it's 11. And today is a Saturday, as you know, so that's why we do it at 11. Guys, right now we have insane news for Bitcoin, for alts, for Chainlink, for Ethereum. The first one is gonna be about Bitcoin price, because this is the most important decider. At the same time, you see that altcoins already right now go absolutely ballistic. MahaDAO 50%. You see Chainlink also going absolutely ballistic, over $20. Look, Chainlink, it's a no-brainer. Today, I will really be focusing on the big opportunity with banking, because Chainlink is going to be integrated with the banking space. Ethereum also will be integrated with the banks already this year. They're going to be using Chainlink and Ethereum on the backend. We have the biggest capital market right now on the blockchain. It is DeFi, the biggest, most efficient capital market. And if your financial institution is not connected to the biggest, most efficient capital market in the world, it's worthless. If you don't understand why Chainlink and ETH are key for the future of banking, you don't understand a lot, okay? You don't understand crypto, and most importantly, why. So share this video as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, bell button, all. Number one. You have to understand that betting on the future of finance, betting on the future of crypto banking is the perfect opportunity in terms of investment. In my mind, it is a no-brainer. Looking at the price of Bitcoin in the immediate short term, we're consolidating, guys. We're consolidating between this 39 and between 30K line. This is very, very key. And right now we're forming this symmetrical triangle. And this is what I'm looking in the immediate short term. And the breakout from this will really either take us to all-time highs, or it will take us back to the 30K level yet again. We have this resistance right here, very significant resistance at 39. You have this support right here. All in all, what we can expect is something like this go on. Hopefully, it will be quicker. Hopefully, already now, in a few days, we will see the breakout from this important symmetrical triangle just to the upside. That will be the best. So watch this formation very, very carefully. But the most important thing to understand is that we are in a bull market. So really what happens in the immediate short term is interesting only from a trading perspective. From a long-term perspective, we have to look at what's going on in the banking space. If you've been following this channel, you know by now that the US regulators are looking into DeFi. DeFi will be introduced into the banking sector. But when you look at the bigger picture and you piece it together, you see there are many important things that have come out during the recent days. Another one is, of course, this one from January the 4th, the fact that banks can now handle stablecoins. DeFi, you have to use stablecoins, and now we do have banks able to do that. The first thing we have to understand is why are banks adopting DeFi? And I'm telling you, it's not a choice. They have to do it because it is the largest capital market in the world, because anyone can participate, everyone can trade, everyone can stake, everyone can be part of this speculation market that we have. And all capital market, at the end of the day, it's speculation. It is derivatives. It is the fact that you believe in something, I don't believe in something. I can short it, you can long it. Okay, and whoever is correct gets the funds. Without being connected to large capital markets, you cannot be part of future success stories. Now, what is happening right now is that most of the growth in capital markets will be in DeFi. Why is it so? Because everyone can participate. And if you have a bank that is not connected to DeFi in the next few years, you cannot offer your clients best execution. You cannot offer your clients best service. You cannot offer your clients best opportunities because you have to be participating in these open markets. So you quickly see that all banks basically will have to adopt this new technology. It's not a question of whether they want to or not, is the fact that they have to. It is kind of like not offering internet banking. It's kind of like not offering your clients the latest, most important technological evolution that we've had in the world. No bank, no financial institution will just completely replace everything they have and put DeFi and that's it. No, they will have to integrate the old world with the new world somehow, okay? And Chainlink is the most important project for that right now. Banks are discovering Chainlink, and they've been doing this for years. It's not something that happens just overnight. They've been doing this for years. Different projects, different repositories have been building for years already, which integrate Swift and Chainlink, where you can have Swift data on the blockchain. It is mind-blowing. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So of course, we all are interested in the price. I told you already at $13, approximately a week ago or so, that I'm loading the bags even more. All in all, in the immediate short term, not financial advice, but the reason why I'm so excited is that we could easily see $100 in Chainlink very, very quickly, because you see, it's basically a few days of 40 to 50% gains, and you will be there. It's like a week. And during a altcoin season, you do see 40-50% days all the time. Now, so that's why $100 for Chainlink is not even that exciting, really. What I'm really looking at here is the parabola, guys. Whenever an altcoin season occurs, it's always parabolic, which means that once you reach, and by the way, right now we haven't even entered the altcoin season. Right now, maybe we're here. So all in all, I do think that $100, we will reach somewhere here. Maybe this will take 1, 2, 5 months. Who knows, really, crypto can go fast, go to $100. But the thing is, at the end of 2021, I do expect a parabolic altcoin season, all right? We could easily snap here to 500 easily to 1000 easily as well. Just look at the past 2017 bull run. I know this might sound insane to you if you haven't participated in the last one, but the danger is that all parabolas, they end quickly. So when you see different euphoria metrics, such as for example on the Nupal chart, you have to exit. So all in all, it will make a lot of people insane gains if you have the risk tolerance for this, because just like it could go up, we can see Chainlink at $10 tomorrow as well. So please understand, you need to have risk tolerance here in this market, but to consider that all parabolas end, and that's always the fact. You cannot really have a parabola go to infinity without significant correction. So this is where you have to understand. Do you think that $100 for Chainlink is possible? Maybe it sounds expensive, but is it possible? Yes, it could do a 5x easily in this bull market, because it is a bull market, it's altcoin season. If you believe in altcoin season, I think 100 is reasonable. But then you also consider the parabola at the end, where things in a few weeks can go 1000%, they can go 100%. And that's where you see that your target can actually be multiplied by 10 if you exit. If you exit quickly, because it's basically, the last few days. But here's where we come into the most important thing. You have to take profits, because I'm telling you, this thing will pump and then the parabola breaks. If we truly see parabolic moves, you have to take profits. You don't know when it's gonna end. We're still in this speculation mode. What do I mean by that? We're still not at world adoption. When a technology is at world adoption, you kind of know what it's worth. So that is why when you have the speculation mode, you have the cycle of hype where many people get so excited about the future, the price goes parabolic, but then people see, okay, this will probably take 5 years, and they get disappointed, and then we see the bubble crash. And then it resets. And this will happen all the time. This boom and bust, they happen all the time until we have world adoption, where you can see fundamentally, more clearly, okay, this is exactly what this technology is used for. We have updates on Chainlink and pools. They are having right now the integration. And this is the best thing with Chainlink. They have fundamentals, guys. They have a marketing department that is maybe the best marketing department in crypto. And right now, as alts are mooning, we are seeing dominance go down. Let's actually check since January, since the beginning of the year. The dominance has dropped from 73 all the way to 68%. I think this will very soon go down to 30. The excitement in Bitcoin will only be here for so long before people start to get more and more excited about alts. Because it doesn't take long before people truly start getting excited. Look at, for example, Parsec. This thing is pumping again. We've done more than, guys, this one we've done more than 10x already. If you've been following this channel, you have Parsec, you've done more than 10x. So when people see that this is mooning and a bunch of other alts are mooning, they will start to diversify. No question about that. So that's why I think that this Bitcoin dominance percent, it will go to approximately 30% in this bull market. And it will stay there for a few months, maybe shorter. And then in the bear market, it will regain again. If you look at where we're heading, it's going to be something like that for Bitcoin dominance, in my mind at least. And then it will go all the way here to 30. With altcoins performing, Bitcoin will also perform, but it's just that I think altcoins will perform better. You see, you have to really be cool, guys, in this market. Yesterday, so many people were freaking out. What is happening? We're dumping. Oh my god, what's going on? Here's Ethereum dumping, Bitcoin dumping, everything dumping. Now we're recovering. Now then we're gonna go down again. We're gonna go up again. So you have to be cool. Hodl. Guys, see you all tomorrow. Big shout out to all of you. So good to have all of you here. And we'll see each other tomorrow at 11. So tomorrow is 11. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
Like, subscribe, bell button, all. Number one, smash the like as soon as possible.